The Sultanate of Oman and traditional Omani boats occupy a prominent position among global traditional industries. Since its earlier days, Omani people excelled in building and sailing ships, which played a major role in connecting the Omanis to other civilizations of the ancient world. Traditionally known as Dhow, these boats are a symbol of pride and courage. The Omanis explored to the eastern and the western world in search of knowledge and trade. These expeditions helped them to create cordial international relationships in terms of trading and education. Hence, traditional dhow building is considered as one of the most significant crafts in Oman. Juma bin Hassun Al Araimi Company is a traditional dhow-making industry in the beautiful coastal city of Sur, situated in the South Sharqiya region of Oman, which is one of the few dhow-making industries in Sur. In this factory, dhow building is still carried out using traditional methods and materials. Taking up to a year to construct, the dhows are primarily made from teak and cedar wood using hand tools. The shipmaking is considered as a difficult and arduous industries that require a double effort and high-precision industrial manufacturing process. The factory makes all its efforts to build the best quality boats, which will last for a long time. To maintain the high quality, the most important timber used in the shipbuilding factory is asit, amit, cedar, and other wood from Sultanate of Oman. Also, the shipbuilding factory uses simple tools such as a hammer, chisel, drills, and hand saws, and etc.
لأن ولاية صورة الحين مشهورة بصناعة السفن، ما من الحين من فترة طويلة يعني. تعتبر من الصناعات المندثرة. يعني المصنع الوحيد اللي باقي الحين. كانت أول يمكن 7 مصانع سفن هني موجودة على الساحل، هذه 7 مصانع. حاليا مصنع واحد. فهذا معناته إنه خلاص يعني ما في اهتمام أصلاً.
The factory is a spot of attraction for tourists from all over the world. Its unique art and craft attract tourists to learn about the types of ships and manufacturing process.
It's very interesting for us because in France we have not used to see a fabricatory. And it's very interesting, very fine, the boat.
The Juma bin Hassun Al Araimi Company is playing an important role in carrying on this traditional craft. Passing through a number of years, it still plays a vital role to preserve the history and heritage of this country.